Dari kerana mata yang mempunyai kuasa. Oh, aku tergoda, terkeciwa dari kerana mata.
Aku masih tertarik dengan power level kecil Google. Sebab aku rasa kekuatan dia pun power juga, boleh potong apa yang dia bayangkan. Adakah hampir setara level juga dengan Freerun?
The magic kan is INT based. If you play the RPG games kan, if you want to have high magic damage, power, mana, whatever it is kan, you need to raise your intelligence.
She was not taught boundaries. She said, I can do this, I will do this. Bam.
And the thing is, she was overcompensating. Dia ingatkan, she want to do a clean strike to just remove all of those at once. Unbeknownst to her, dia terbelah the whole thing. She's just a force of nature.
Terkeciwa dari kerana mata.